How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to part 8 of the Intro to GUI in Java series. Today we're going to be talking about JTextFields, or text boxes. Alright, let's get straight to the code. In today's example, we're going to create a small search engine. First, we need to import our JTextField. So import javax.swing.jTextField. Next, we're going to add our JTextField as a data field for our JFrame. So JTextField text field. In our constructor, we're going to initialize our JTextField to text field equal to new JTextField with nothing in our parameters. Next, we're going to set the bounds of our JTextField. Text field dot set bounds, and we're going to have 200 for our X, 10 for our Y, 200 pixels wide, and 50 pixels long. Next, we're going to set the font of our JTextField. So text field dot set font, and we're going to say new font, and we're going to use comic sign capital MS comma, and our font dot, and we're going to set it to bold, and we're going to set the size of our text to 24. If you want a list of the fonts used in Java, the link will be in the description. Next, we need to add our JTextField to our panel. So panel.add text field. Now let's take a look at our JTextField. So we have our text field, and then we have a button with a search icon. You notice that the cursor is on the left side of our JTextField. So when we type in, all our letters come from the left. So I know what you're thinking. Hey Trey, how do you change which side you want your text to come from? In order to change which side you want your text to come from, you need to set the horizontal alignment of your text. So text field dot set horizontal alignment, and then inside we're going to say JTextField dot, and then for today's example we're going to go from the right side. So JTextField dot right. Now let's take a look at our JTextField again. And now our text is coming from the right. Next, we're going to add functionality to our button to create our search engine. So we're going to say if ae.getSource is equal to our search button. We're going to check if textfield.getText is dot equals ignore case Goku. We're going to set our label to set icon new image icon, and our image is going to come from our source file. So src goku.jpg. else if textfield dot get text equals ignore case Vegeta, we're going to set the icon of our label to image icon src and Vegeta.jpg. So when we run our program again, if the user types in Goku and clicks our search engine button, we have the image of Goku. If we backspace and say Vegeta, we search engine and we get Vegeta. So those are the basics of JTextFields in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to leave a like. All right, thank you for watching.